Today we talk about how can you find your marketing overview on your Wix app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just go down, click here on manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just keep going down here. So then you will find here marketing. You just click on it. Then it's going to show for you list like this. You go down here. So sorry, we will go back. You don't click on marketing. You click here on analytics here. Then you go down here. So then you will find here marketing overview. You just click on it. Then here it's going to show for you all your marketing overview you have in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.